You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, including from literature names that many people mispronounce. This is the name of a character in Moby Dick, the book. Two different ways of pronouncing it, really. Pequod or Pequod. Some people prefer pronouncing it one way or another. Both pronunciations are correct, or we don't know exactly which one is the correct one. Pequod or Pequod. It's up to you. Which one do you like best? Let us know in the comments. More videos where you're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.